Select a display from the library. Select the appropriate layer. Modify the shape as needed. Be sure to close the contour after making your changes. You can now see your modified shape in 3D Preview. Finger poles can also be added to boxes. Create the finger pole in the appropriate layer. And close the contour. The results are displayed in 3D Preview. It is possible to add a cutout even across folds. But be sure to remove any crease lines. The results are displayed in 3D Preview. The program allows for inserting another object into 3D Preview. Display your first object in Preview. Then import the second object. You can place the object, rotate, and resize it as needed. This is how you can generate new previews.